Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Monica. How are you guys today? Today I am here to plan in my Erin Condren horizontal planner for the week of September 28th through October 4th. You guys, this year, as tough as it has been, we are winding down. So we can only hope and pray for a better 2021, okay? And today I'm going to be using a kit from Wild Summer Designs called Hello Autumn. And this kit is so beautiful. And I know you're like, well, why didn't you use that kit last week? Because the transition from September to October, to me, is perfect for this kit, okay? So we have like some pumpkin pie, a scene right here. I don't know how I'm going to use that. We'll see. Some aromatherapy pillows, fall leaves, pumpkin spice latte. Yummy. So what else is in the kit? We have our labels, check boxes, flags, hexagons, weekend banner, boxes, another full box picture habit tracker, or I'm sorry, daily tasks. That's what I call them, habit trackers. I love that weekend banner. It is so pretty. And you have quarter boxes and third boxes and decorative boxes. You have the bottom washi build-do stickers, appointment labels. You have your date headers with the date dots, functionable labels, some script stickers. And then you have some deco with some more boxes and work labels and a movie marquee. So this is going to be very, very pretty. I think I'm going to use the deco at the top. We'll see. We'll see. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lay the base. I'm not sure if I'm going to talk through this entire video or I'm just going to play this to music. Because there's not really much to talk about, you guys. No more than just, you know, Angie has a football game tomorrow, and I have a doctor's appointment on Thursday. Other than that, there's not much going on. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to set this to music and lay everything down and whatnot and make this a very quick video. But before I do all of that, do me a huge favor. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, then hit that bell for notifications. That way you know anytime I upload a new video. And for you returning subscribers, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate you guys. You have no idea what it means that you come back every day or week and watch my videos. If you would like your own Erin Condren horizontal or vertical or hourly planner, I do have affiliate links below. Those links does not cost you anything. It does not take away from the price of the product, but what it does, it gives me a small commission so I can buy more products and bring out to you guys. It also tells the Erin Condren team that you like my content and that you would like to see more from me. So anybody who's ever used my affiliate link in the past, thank you so very much. And with all of that being said, you guys, we're going to go ahead and we are going to get started. this is what it looks like. I am liking this. This is cute. Let me zoom you guys in just a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see. So Monday, this is just to, I have all of my work stickers every day that I'm working. Monday, and Nehemiah has a game, and that little football sticker I made myself. I'm not opening up an Etsy shop right now. We'll see. Tuesday I'm working, Wednesday I'm working, Thursday is payday. I also have a doctor's appointment, and then I need to go to Sam's Club, and I also have a nail appointment all in that same day. Olivia is actually here, and she's going to be here for about a week. So we're going to try to get all of that done within one setting. She wants to make it a girls' day, so that's what we're going to do. And then on Friday, of course, I'm just working in regular habits. Saturday is my intention. It is my intention to sleep in. I don't know. We'll see. And I really don't have anything planned for Saturday. We're just gonna wing it on Saturday. And then Sunday, of course, is my planning time, and then church online. And then here's a little script sticker that I made with the Jen Plans font. That just says weekly reflections. I still have to go back from last week and finish filling some things in. Oops, you just got a sneak peek at my October monthly, but that is what that looks like. I still need to go in and finish the rest of the week. And on Thursday, things just went kind of haywire. As you can see, I am planning right here, so yay. And you guys, I have some exciting stuff coming. I have gotten into the petite planner. I did not get the new line. I didn't apply for it because at the time I was thinking that's something I'm not going to use, so why should I apply for it? But then my friend, Poor Penmanship Planner, she put out a video of how she used hers, and I was like, oh, wow, that's perfect. And then when I dug depth into the line, I ordered some stuff and I got it in, and I have started playing with it and trying to set it up on how I want to, and of course I will show you guys a video on that. But that is it for today. And like I said, I'm just going to fill this in, but this is what it looks like before the pen. So yeah, you guys, that is it. Thank you for watching this video with me. I love how the deco looks up top. It's very cute. Like I said, I feel like this is the perfect kit to transition from September to October. And then please remember, this is the kit from Wild Summer Designs. It's called Hello Autumn. And this is what I have left in the kit. All of these boxes, all of these flags, which I'll use this stuff throughout the week. I still want to figure out how can I incorporate the washi in this. We'll see. And I have a few deco pieces left with some boxes, and then I only have that one full box left. So yep, that is it, you guys. That is it. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications. Like I said, I appreciate all of you guys' love and support. And in the meantime, in between time, be safe, be blessed, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.